Welcome to my Georgian trip. After several videos, I'm finally bringing you to one of the top destinations of post-Soviet citizens to Georgia. Yes, I'm talking about Batumi. Batumi is the capital of Adjara, an autonomous region with its own flag, dialect, and delicious food. The most famous khachapuri, the one boat-shaped with the egg in the center, is exactly from this region. During Soviet times, Batumi was a popular summer retreat. Nowadays, it's an important port, but the city still has the seaside resort vibe and the summer crowds to back it up. As soon as we arrived, in fact, we noticed the chaos of cars and tourists. It is practically impossible to find a parking spot. I do have the feeling that compared to Tbilisi, in proportion, a lot more tourists were in Batumi. Clearly, this is to scale to its smaller size and to the crowding of the seafront. One of the first things we did, in fact, was strolling on this promenade. The White Seafront Promenade hugs the Black Sea shoreline all the way from the lighthouse and port to the bottom of Lech and Maria Kaczynski's park. When Batumi was part of Imperial Russia, the boulevard was the spot to promenade. During the 1990s, families gravitated to the boulevard to escape the difficulties of daily life. Along the coast, you will find mosaics near the aquarium, dozens of sculptures, street art, impressive architecture, and the lighthouse. Beaches, cable cars. After a countrywide trip in Georgia, I asked myself, is there something more typical than cable cars for this paradise in the Caucasus? The Argo cable car brought us up until the hill where we had dinner and witnessed sunset. Of course, when in Batumi, you must try a few different beaches among those suggested online. But when the sun's heat is too much, you could decide to visit Batumi's famous botanical garden. Mtsvane Konsky, or Green Cave, is located just north of central Batumi along the coast. The botanical garden features easy hiking trails and lookout points where you get wonderful views of the Black Sea. It was established in 1912 and was the most important facility of its kind in the Soviet Union. As a matter of fact, the variety of plants is impressive. After the gardens, you can head down to the beach directly underneath the cliffs to grab a bite at the restaurant before finding a spot to lay down on the Mtsvane Konsky beach. Come back to the channel for more travel suggestions on Georgia.